Hi guys, welcome to this quick episode of your ICAN Starter Pack. My name is Chidima Usigwe. This video is done primarily to answer the question by Ideas That Pays. He or she said, please make a post on how to do the registration for induction, especially who attests for you. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you step-by-step process on how to do your registration for induction by yourself, do it yourself approach on the ICAN portal. So let me answer the question about who attests for you. So you need two people to attest for you who have to be financial members of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. You need your referee and you need your supervisor. Your supervisor needs to be a chartered accountant as well, and your referee also needs to be a chartered accountant. Then what happens if your supervisor is not a chartered accountant? Like in my case, when I was registering for induction, my supervisor wasn't a chartered accountant at the time, and I wanted someone that's very close to me to fill in the space of the supervisor, and he said he couldn't at the time and gave me a contact number of somebody in the student affairs department of ICAN to confirm his position. And she informed me that if my direct supervisor is not a chartered accountant, every organization is expected to have an external auditor, right? And my external auditor will fail to fulfill that criteria of the supervisor. So if your direct superior in the office is not a chartered accountant, your external auditor of your organization can actually fulfill that criteria for you. And then your referee can be anybody, just a financial member of the institute. So let's get right into the step-by-step process on how to complete your registration by yourself.
So the first thing you need to do is to log on to the professional student portal, icanportal.org/professional. On this portal, you obviously can do a lot of things: new student registration, application for exemption, check examination number, registration for examination, financial status, your application for induction. Then you get to pay ICAN on this portal as well, and then you can update your student profile. But for the purpose of this video, we're looking at application for induction. The first thing you need to do is to pay ICAN. You can pay through Pay Direct, you can pay through the Quick Teller platform and the web pay. If you want to pay through Pay Direct, you just click on Pay Direct, and then there's a place that says Pay. Once you click on Pay, it automatically takes you to the payment portal. Or you pay through Quick Teller. If you have Quick Teller login, you can also pay from there, or you come here and click Pay and pay to Quick Teller. Or the one I love most is to pay through web pay. Most of my payments on the ICAN portal I pay through web pay, and that's because I can retrieve all my payments when I click all or enter all into this transaction reference box. I'll be able to see all the previous payments I have made. That's why I like making payment through web pay on the ICAN portal. So because this is a new payment, you look at for new payments, click here. You get to click there, and then it takes you to a whole new page. Would have generated transaction reference. You can copy and paste the transaction reference somewhere. Maybe just open a Word document, copy and paste it there. You input your registration number, input your telephone number and your email address. My student registration number when I did my induction was 228914, so I just inputted it there for the purpose of this video. Then phone number and my email address. Then to add a new item, you click on Add, the Add button. So once you click on the Add button, it drops down, and then you can use the drop down menu till when you select professional induction. You input the amount 121,000. Once you input the amount, it automatically comes there. Then you click on your mode of payment. See, it has generated the item reference. You can copy this and paste it, then pay with your Verve, Visa or MasterCard. So you already have the total amount of 121,000. There will be bank charge saved on your 300 saved on your ATM card or saved in your bank. So if you have web pay, you can just go ahead, email address and password. But obviously I want us to pay with our card, so you select your card. Then I use the MasterCard Naira debit. You select your own card. If you use a Visa card or your own card, you input your ICAN number, your card number, your email address or your phone number. Then it takes you to your payment site. So after clicking on pay, you get a one-time pin to your registered phone number or your email address for you to complete your payment. After completing your payment, you get your serial number and your pin. Do well to write them down. Then you come back to the ICAN portal. Remember, step 1 is to pay ICAN. Step 2, you click on application for induction. So once you click on application for induction, it brings you to this portal where you can see the requirements. Now let's read these requirements that is written down here together. It says 2 referees, financial members, and your supervisor also has to be a financial member. Then there is a 36 months work experience for inductees with BSc/HND in accounting, or 48 months work experience for inductees without BSc/HND in accounting. So if you have BSc or HND in accounting, you're required to have 36 months work experience, and if you do not have BSc or HND in accounting, you are required to have 48 months work experience. Your volunteer experience can also make up your work experience. What they need, quote and unquote, is your work experience, your internship period, your volunteer experience. All this, your internship period, your volunteer experience, all these can also make up for your work experience. All right. So you input the PIN and the serial number generated. You input your student registration number. Now this is the catch. You have to input your supervisor number as referee 1 and your referee number, your second referee number as referee 2. So this is it. If you collect, or if you are imputing Chidima's membership number as referee 1, for example, and then you input someone else for referee 2, and you send the link that will be generated to Chioma, for example, having filled Chidima's membership number as referee 1, it will generate an error. So do well to collect the membership number of your referees and input it during your registration, and then send the link to them. Okay, so don't fill Chidima and Cynthia's membership number as referee 1 and referee 2, and then you send the link to like Kunle and Tunde. Do you understand? It will generate errors when they click on the link. So what I'm saying in essence is, send the link that will be generated to the person that owns the membership number that you have imputed at the time of registration, and then you click on the submit button, and voila, you'll be able to complete your registration. So once you click on the submit button, a link will be automatically generated that you can send to your referees for them to complete the registration on their end.
If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video till this time. Ideas that pays. I hope I was able to answer your question. Until I come again next time, my name is Chidima Usigwe. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe.